How much do you know about the garbage you are throwing away? Do you know where it goes? Are you aware of the amount of trash you throw away per year? Studies show that Americans generate between 250 and 400 million tons of garbage each year, all of which require landfill space. The United States has the highest amount of waste generated per person of any country at an average of 4.6 pounds per day. Globally, we dump 2.12 billion tons of waste a year. This is a much bigger problem than what one community can tackle. If we do not resolve this issue about how much landfill we produce per year, our environment will be ruined. Then where will we live? What will happen when we produce more trash than what we can hold? This problem is underrated and needs to be resolved immediately.
Cedar Hills Landfill, the only current landfill serving King County and various surrounding counties, is currently facing some big problems. One of the biggest problems facing the Cedar Hills landfill is that there is simply no more room. With an average of 130 dump trucks unloading at least 2,800 tons of waste each day, the landfill is projected to reach design capacity fill by 2025. One of the contributing factors to the excess amount of garbage piling up in landfills is that because of new standards for recycling, the company that processes most of Washington's recycling has had to send hundreds of tons of dirty recycling to landfills. The first solution that officials are thinking about is to simply expand the Cedar Hills landfill onto surrounding land. The problem with this solution is that it will reach its new capacity by 2040, so many only see this as a temporary fix. The other solution is to build a waste-to-energy facility. However, this is controversial because it will cost up to $1 billion, and some question if it would make a noticeable difference for the environment.
Landfills are creating a bigger problem globally, and if we do not work to stop them, multiple countries will be in danger. The 1.3 billion population of India produces a large amount of landfill per day, and that garbage is put in multiple unsafe landfills around the country. These landfills produce a massive amount of methane, which leads to fires within landfills, and those fumes create health problems. The fires caused by these landfills pollute the atmosphere with unnecessary pathogens. India is not the only country with this issue. Ghana, the Philippines, Nigeria, Somalia, and China are just a few others struggling with this same issue. Using these countries as dumping grounds is an inefficient way to resolve this issue, since it is damaging the lives of people living within these countries. When there is no regard to the design of landfills, there will be problems with methane and leachate. Since multiple landfills are not designed correctly, when it rains, there are many problems with runoff leachate. Leachate is a mix of harmful chemicals that, when digested, can be hazardous to one's health. Leachate can easily get into water when a landfill is not secured properly, which is especially harmful to countries who are used as dumping sites every day.
Some solutions to this growing landfill waste problem include donating clothes, purchasing items made out of recycled products, or to help and volunteer in an organization. In terms of donating clothes, clothing makes 13.1 million tons of landfill waste in the U.S. alone. Throwing away clothing is one of the biggest contributions we make into landfills today. Locally, there are many places to donate, including Goodwill and Value Village. Another way that you can help reduce landfill waste includes boycotting plastic water bottles. It takes about 1,000 years for every single bottle to decompose, and 80% of plastic water bottles you buy end up in landfills. To help reduce landfill waste, try buying a reusable water bottle. Another way that you can help reduce landfill waste is to compost. Composting is an easy and natural process that helps you recycle your kitchen and food waste, that reduces the amount that's sent to landfills. Lastly, you can get involved with an organization such as EarthShare. EarthShare is a global organization that focuses on reducing landfill waste. There are many volunteering opportunities and workshops that teach participants more about what they can do to reduce landfill waste. Overall, the issue of landfill waste is very harmful for our environment and affects people both locally and globally. This issue of landfill waste also goes directly against Catholic social teaching of caring for God's creation.
Thank you for watching, and let's save our planet.